What's going on, guys? Good afternoon. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Today we're going to be doing a muffler and resonator delete on a 1.5 turbo Honda Civic LX hatchback, and we're putting some nice little tips. So right now we're going to pick up our bro Jesse. We're going to be at his house about 10 minutes, but it'll be a second for you guys. We got Jen with us today, and we're going to see everyone's reactions as soon as we get it. Let's get right to it, guys. All right, guys, so we're here at Shaw Auto Center, basically doing the dual tips on the mufflers and a resonator delete as well, and hoping, you know, it sounds good. So just gonna go for the best since I had muffler and resonator deletes in all my cars thus far. So let's hope for the best. Yeah. How do you think the exhaust is gonna sound?
It's gonna sound sick.
What do you think it's gonna sound like?
Like, I don't know.
Nice.
It's gonna sound hella good.
Hella good.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think it's gonna sound like? Make it sound with your no.
No.
Oh, that's a good one. Looks tight, man. I watched him do the whole thing. Oh, really? I spun my wheels there, bro.
Damn.
Yo, this sounds so good, guys. Resonator muffler delete. It got two single exit tips going out. I'm telling you, it's like the just amount of like loudness and like aggressiveness. And you can definitely hear the turbo spool a little better. It's really like high recommendation for me compared to like all the other cars that resonators and muffler deletes. I've never had a turbo. This sounds amazing. Here, check it out, guys. Holy spun, bro. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next one.